Hello, welcome to Tina Language Academy, and today we are going to learn about Swahili for tourists. We have so many guests coming all over here in East Africa, especially Tanzania, to visit different places for tourism. Here are useful Swahili phrases for tourism, for tourists visiting Tanzania or East Africa. I've grouped them so they are easy to learn and use. Greetings and polite words. Swahili is very polite, so greetings matter a lot. Hello, jambo, or you can reply hujambo. How are you? Habari yako. I am fine. Salama or nzuri. Thank you, asante. Thank you very much, asante sana. Please, tafadhali. Sorry, excuse me, samahani. Those are greetings. Getting around, then we can learn different Swahili words here. Where is, iko wapi. How much is this, hii ni bei gani, or you can say shilingi ngapi. I want to go to, nataka kwenda. Maybe toilet, maybe to the market, washroom. Nataka kwenda. Stop here please. Simamisha, simama hapa. Simamisha hapa tafadhali. Too expensive, ghali sana. O gharama sana. Shopping in the market. I am just looking, naangalia tu. Give me discount, nipunguzie bei. I want this, nataka hii. Do you have, una hiki. Food and restaurants. Water, maji. Food, chakula. I'm hungry. Nina njaa. Delicious, tamu sana. No spice, bila pilipili. O bila kiungo. Emergency. Help, msaada. I need a doctor. Nahitaji dokta. Nahitaji daktari. Police. I'm lost. Nimepotea. Extra useful words. Yes, ndio. No, hapana. Okay, sawa. Welcome, karibu. If you want, I can also teach you. I can mentor in private. You can take there my number and check me on WhatsApp, or you can call me so that I can help you to know different words in Swahili, especially for those visitors who are coming to East Africa, or especially in Tanzania. They want to use Kiswahili as a main language of communication. At least a little you can speak. I'm here. Just check me on WhatsApp through my number. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel for more learning words in Kiswahili. Thank you so much.